Hello everyone, I'm Madison Forbes, and this is my WordPress website for Forbsie Design. I designed this website to be a portfolio to display my work. It still needs a lot of polishing, but this is what I have so far. So on my homepage, I have a quick intro so you know what my website is for and some other links to direct you. The first page I want people to go to once they land on my website is my portfolio. So that's the second option on my main navigation menu. Next, I have my About Me page with a picture of me and just a short intro. Then I have my contact page where you can get in touch with me. I struggled trying to figure out some type of content to add to my blog so it wasn't so empty. The blog and the shop were definitely my biggest challenges for me. But I have just a little blog here with a gallery in it. I also ran out of time to figure out how to get my Instagram slider working again. For some reason, it stopped working out of nowhere, but that's something I want to figure out and get working because I do use Instagram for my design work. Finally, I have my store. I'll probably end up deleting this, but I thought it was super fun to put together. I just added some stickers and a print of one of my design pieces. I thought that was a really fun thing to put together. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my website. Let me know if there's anything I can improve on or any other suggestions you have. Thanks for watching.